Good mornings, my friends. My name is Dany Perez, Senior Trader and Co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, and today we're going to see the pre-market analysis for the future of the S&P 500. Good morning, my friends. See here, this is a chart with the daily chart. You can see here something very interesting. We have here something like this important trending line here, and the market is arriving to an important resistance area that you need to have in count, okay, because it's going to be something important. The volume, as you see here, is decreasing, okay, because the market today, remember, we are eager to know what is going to happen with the Powell testify to the Senate, and that's something very important. If you see here a chart with a little bit more detail, we told you the last week that the market has here had a compression, and then the market breaks and arrive to the next area that we said to you. Here we have the market hit like a wall, smash it, and then goes to the upside, breaks this important trending line, and arrive to our next target, that is the all-time highs. Another prices that for me are going to be very important, are going to be target if the market is able to pass this important resistance area, is going to be 3018 and 3056. Something very important, because we now are prepared if the market pass this important resistance. We have all the scenario in long if the market pass this. But remember, if you see a chart with a little bit more detail, you are able to see that we have here an important trending line to the upside, and that means that probably the market, if refuse the continuation, probably is going to come to here, and then here is going to be the decisive point for today. If we see a chart with a little bit more detail, we're able to the things that I am saying to you. Probably the market here has a lot of resistance and probably is going to reach this point. If the market reaches this point here, we are thinking in long, because now we know here that we have a lot of buyer. But if the market is able to pass, probably it's going to reach this important price that is going to be 29.88. That means that here probably we are going to take some shorts. Okay, but here we have a lot of buyers again. That means that here probably is going to be a very decisive zone. That is the same trending line that I draw in the other chart. That means that today we need to be very aware about all the things that is going to testify the Jerome Powell, that is the president of or the chairman of the Federal Reserve, okay? And probably the market right now is just expecting what he's going to set. And that's probably here means that we don't have too much volume than yesterday. That means probably that the traders and the investor are just waiting what he's going to say, because today is the last day of the testifying to the Congress. Something important also, that we are in earning seasons, okay? That means that a lot of big companies are just publishing the results of the last quarter. That's something important, because sometimes the very important companies move the market. For example, the technologies companies, for example, the financial companies, when one of the results is not aligned with the expectation of the analyst, that produce a lot of movement. Well, my friends, that is the pre-market for today. If you have any doubt, please don't hesitate to write us, okay? We see you in the next slide. Bye.